In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your preferred default font in Microsoft PowerPoint for both new and existing presentations. A consistent font instantly makes your slides look polished, improves readability, and keeps your work on brand, whether you're building a business deck or a class project. Let's get started by opening Microsoft PowerPoint. You can either load the presentation you're working on or start a fresh file if you want to set up a go-to look for future projects. Working from a new presentation is especially helpful if you plan to reuse this file as a template later. Once your presentation is open, head to the top menu and click the View tab. This area controls how you see and manage the overall structure of your slides. From there, choose Slide Master. Slide Master view is where global changes happen. Instead of editing individual slides one by one, you're editing the master slide and its layouts, so your changes flow across the entire presentation. In Slide Master View, look for the font drop-down in the ribbon, click it to open the list of fonts installed on your computer. Scroll through and pick the typeface that matches your style and needs. You might prefer a classic serif like Times New Roman for a formal tone, or a clean sans serif like Calibri for a modern minimal look. As soon as you select a font, it applies to the layout you're currently editing, affecting the text placeholders on slides that use that layout. If your presentation includes multiple layouts like title slides, title and content, section headers, and so on, repeat the same selection on each layout you plan to use. This ensures your headings and body text remain consistent from slide to slide. While you're there, glance at title and content placeholders to confirm the font change looks right at different sizes. Small adjustments here help avoid mismatched text later. When you're happy with your choices, close Slide Master View. Your selected font is now set as the default for this presentation, giving every slide a uniform, professional appearance without manually changing fonts each time. A quick tip: choose a font that's commonly available or installed on the computers where you will present, so your text displays as intended. And that's it. You've successfully set a default font in Microsoft PowerPoint, saving time and creating a cohesive design you can build on with confidence. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell so you never miss future uploads.